And it is 6:35 and still with a Valentine's Day theme. Mike Eppel and I were getting a little slack today for not wearing the red. I've already got it online. People are saying,
Really?
where's the love?
Again, the social media blowback about things, always entertaining. Good morning, Melanie. Yeah, me too. Missed the memo, but that's okay. We'll talk about how much people are spending on Valentine's Day. A lot of people say this is a commercial holiday, and indeed it is, but nevertheless, the dollars being spent on Valentine's Day are pretty significant, specifically for the retail sector. In the United States, it's something like $19 billion in total. Here in Canada, we're looking at, on average, and this is according to the website retailmenot.ca, $164 is the average spent by Canadians on Valentine's Day. Now, men spend a lot more than women, over $200 for guys buying gifts and about $100 for the ladies. The top gifts given, though, jewelry, show tickets, lingerie, flowers, candy and chocolate, and about 80% of respondents say they overspend on Valentine's Day. But nevertheless, it's a big day for the retail segment. And indeed, happy Valentine's Day. NAFTA negotiations, some interesting comments coming from our top negotiator at the renegotiation of that big trade deal, Steve Verhoyles, talking about how the first 6 rounds of NAFTA talks have gone. He says they're actually going too quickly. They can't get things in place to really discuss, and when the U.S. comes to the bargaining table, it's all about what the Trump administration wants, and there's not much give back. And some of the offers have been described as the worst offers ever. Now, this is going to be interesting to see where these trade talks go. The next round is in Mexico City next month, and we've got a federal budget coming up on February 27th, and that could weigh into the federal government's economic forecasts and how much they're willing to spend on things and what it all means for the budgetary process. McDonald's, of course, best known for burgers and fries, but wants to be the king of chicken. An internal memo reveals that McDonald's wants to go after the #1 player in that segment in the United States, Chick-fil-A, with new chicken menu offerings. So we could see some more maneuvers there by the still king of the fast food sector, and possible implications for its share price coming up today. On the markets this morning, we're looking at the, better mood. On Wall Street, at least, the Dow has been up 3 days in a row. Could see a 4th day of upward momentum. The early trends this morning have stock futures up by better than 100 points. And again, we've seen all this volatility over 2 weeks, but now maybe a little bit of a settling down, we'll call it, as the market trends higher. Once again, the TSX yesterday was down 25 points. We've got Netflix moving to the upside this morning. They've poached a top-name producer, the producer of American Horror Story, and Glee, his production company, being signed on for $300 million to produce original content for Netflix as they bulk up on the content production. And Chipotle has also poached the CEO of Taco Bell, so Chipotle stock's moving higher in pre-market trading activity this morning. We'll send it back to the studio.